Hey Curl fam, time for another curly hair routine on my new haircut. Prior to cleansing, I did a pre-poo treatment with aloe vera. Going in with the classic Curl Clarity shampoo from As I Am. Making sure I massage the shampoo throughout my hair and scalp. If you're looking for a good clarity shampoo and won't break the bank, then I would definitely say that this is a good option from As I Am. Once I rinse that out, I'll follow up with the Hydrating Cream Hairbath from Innersense. If you're not new to my channel, then you know how much I love this brand. I love that it is deeply hydrating and has clean ingredients. Now that I'm done cleansing, I will rinse it all out and grab the deep conditioning mask from Alodia. I will apply a generous amount to my hair and start detangling from the ends on up. This mask infuses moisture-starved strands with natural, high-quality ingredients that nourish the scalp. Making sure that each strand get coated evenly throughout my hair. After I'm done applying the mask to my hair, I will let it sit on my hair for about 30 minutes and then rinse. Now going in with the fragrance-free Shine Cream from Curlsmith, which is a lightweight leave-in conditioner. Making sure I evenly distribute throughout each section. Now grabbing the Curl Conditioning Oil and Cream from Curlsmith. This cream is extremely moisturizing. Finally layering it with the fragrance-free Shine Gel from Curlsmith. Using the palms of my hand to smooth the gel. Now I'm just going to add some more water to the next section and apply the same steps. After I'm done with the styling process, I will air dry for a little bit diffuse and come back. Okay guys, how are we liking the new haircut? I would say it's like so much fuller though. I'm just trying to, get used to it. But the reason why I cut my hair is because it just, a while back I had like a bad haircut. So I've been trying to kind of like grow it out to a certain point before I decided to cut it. But the real reason is because I started looking back at some of my videos and I was like, it's time for a cut. And my hair was shedding like crazy. And it was even getting harder to like detangle my hair. So I knew it was time for a cut. So I went to have my hair cut. I probably cut it off with maybe 2 to 3 inches off, maybe, I think. But I'm not mad at it. Look out for some new videos. There will be a series of hair growth videos because I'm going on a journey to growing out healthier, long hair. So look out for those. Put a heart in the comments if you're excited about these hair growth videos, because I'm about to be pushing them out left and right. So I hope you're ready. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for the next time I upload. See you on my next one. Bye.